How to trade gold stickers, Monopoly Go. So first, you just have to launch your Monopoly Go application and make sure that you're using the latest version of this application or this application is up to date. To start, what you're going to do is to simply locate the album icon that is beside the friends. So tap this album icon here and then search or locate for that gold sticker that you want to trade or send to your friend. Now, here's the thing. In Monopoly Go, trading gold stickers is limited to the Golden Blitz event. So, to trade your gold sticker or swap your extras for stars, you can only swap your duplicate gold stickers just like in any other sticker trade. So it's the same thing if you have your gold sticker or if you have this ordinary sticker to send or to trade this to your friend, all you have to do is to swap or send duplicate gold stickers. In return or as a trade, you can ask your friend to send the gold sticker that you want also to get from them. So this is the sticker that I want to trade or send to my friend. So all I have to do is to click this send to friend. Now ask him or her to send you also the gold sticker that you want to ask from them or you want him or her to send to you. Always remember that that person should be on your friends list and the sticker is a duplicate sticker. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.